Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about an important topic, that is hunting, and it is very much important. So hunting basically, uh, the rotor of the synchronous motor rotates the same speed as the flux rotate in the stator, and these are the rotor axis. These are the rotor axis and these are the stator axis. And it is rotated in such a way that they are locking each other. That means if the rotor, the pole of the rotor is S, so the pole of the stator will be north, and if here it is north, so the pole of the flux will be S. Now it is magnetically lock each other, and it is follow the same speed as the stator flux rotate. So it is basically in the synchronous speed. And these are the difference between the stator axis and rotor axis, and it is denoted by del. Okay, now assume if we are suddenly increase some load, so in that case and we assume that the rotor is rotate around 1500 rpm, and if suddenly we apply the load and the rpm is reduced to 1495 rpm. Now in that case the rotor poles are connected with the damper winding. These are the damper winding. So these are the damper winding, and there is a relative speed between the rotor and stator flux, so there will be an EMF will be induced, and these are the conductor, these are the copper conductor, and as there is a relative motion, so in that case current will be starts flowing. Okay, so now in the rotor bars, the windings, there are the currents are flowing in the winding, so it's achieve a torque. So it will be achieve a torque, and it will be again makes the rotor in the same position, in the same same synchronous speed. Okay, so these are the process of the hunting. So hunting is the oscillation of the rotor about its final equilibrium. And one more thing, the hunting occurs in the synchronous motor or synchronous generator if an abnormal change in the load occurs. Not only the abnormal change in the load occurs, there are some other phenomena also dependent for the hunting. We will discuss about it. So now we discuss that hunting is caused by different so we discussed that hunting is caused by different reasons. Okay, so or we can say the hunting is caused by the difference factor. these factors are, as we know that, discuss the first one, that is sudden change in load. If we are suddenly increase the load, so in that case hunting occurs. Number 2, sudden change in field excitation current, or it is also dependent on the sudden change in the field excitation, basically current. Okay, basically current, if we are suddenly increased, so in that case the hunting is also happened. And number 3, due to pulsating of frequency. Due to the pulsating of the frequency, the hunting is also happened. So these are the main basic factors for the happening of the hunting. So the hunting is an objectional case. So because of the following reason, so the reasons are, number 1, it leads to lose the synchronism. Okay, basically it is loses the synchronism because the rotor, there are some difference between the rotor speed and stator flux speeds, so it leads to lose the synchronism, right? Number 2, there may be large stress so there may be a large stress developing in the rotor shaft, because the rotor shaft again have to the same equilibrium position, right? And number 3, the losses of the machine increases and there is a rise in temperature of the machine. and in that case the losses of the machine is also increases, and the temperature rises in the machine because it requires more current to develop the torque to reach the same equilibrium position. And we also know that how to minimize it, as we told earlier, that using the damper winding or squirrel cage winding we are reducing the hunting. And how is it works? The damper winding are short circuited, that is and it carries the current, and the current of the each conductor develop a torque which is moves the rotor shaft in the when the damper winding, suppose it is the damper winding, each of the winding carries a current because there are a relative motion between the rotor shaft and the stator flux, so there will be produced a current in the damper winding. And because the current carrying conductor is placed on the magnetic flux, so torque will be induced, and as the torque induced, it is push the rotor in the same position so that it's locked each other with the locks each other, that means it's locked with the stator, and it's again comes to the equilibrium position. So thus the way we can minimize the hunting. So I hope you understand. So thank you.